Hi, I'm Paul. I'm the founder here at Protect Your Paintwork. We started Protect Your Paintwork 6 years ago. We've been in the industry ourselves for 17 years with a detailing background. Moved across to paint protection film around 10 years ago, building up lots of companies over the years, but now we're trying to showcase Protect Your Paintwork and what we can do as a company. So we've been in the industry for nearly 2 decades now. We've been accredited by some of the top manufacturers over the years. We were a G-Technic accredited detailer many years ago. We've been Suntech approved, XPEL factory trained, CoverGuard and ProFilm. We just feel as a company we've been in the PPF industry for a decade now. We've just got a lot more experience than some of these new companies that have been going for 1 or 2 years. With our full PPF packages, whether it be a front bumper, headlights or full vehicle coverage like this, we pride ourselves. We try and tuck all edges where possible. We've learned from experience over the years, things like the rear quarter pieces, they flush out, so we remove those for the better finish. Things like the fuel flap, we'll extend the pattern so you've got full tuck coverage. It's just to get the nicer experience and the most pleasing for the customer at the end of the day. Here at Protect Your Paintwork, we use Suntech paint protection film. Over the years, we've used and we're accredited with all the different other manufacturers, but we finally settled on the Suntech. They offer a wide variety of films, so you've got the gloss black, you've got the PPF cap, you've got the Ultra, you've got the Ultra Defense, which is one of my top ones for a high usage vehicle. We've also got their top range film, which is the Suntech Reaction, which is a 12-year warranted film. It's got a hydrophobic top coat, which acts as like a ceramic coating on top of the film. We've invested thousands building our state-of-the-art purpose-built PPF bay. So here at Protect Your Paintwork, when you first inquire with us, we ask to bring the vehicle in for an inspection. We'll look at the car and then we'll try and build a bespoke package for yourselves, depending on the usage of your vehicle and your budgets. We've got endless reviews from customers all across the south for our ceramic coating and PPF packages. Thank you. We hope to see you soon at our Protect Your Paintwork PPF bay soon.